Okay, guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again to write a video on a video that Biafra Liberation Army Commander Holy Ghost made. Just a short video, a short clip, giving warning message to the land grabbers, Fulani people, and their agents all over Nigeria. The attempt of Fulani people to conquer and to grab land in the Biafra land, not only Biafra land, in many other places. They have had, Commander Holy Ghost have had enough, just like many of us, that the attempt of taking, indigenous people for granted, killing people in the name of grabbing land and taking what does not belong to them, the time is over. This message is very, very short, but it has a very meaningful information that I would like you to listen to. Some of us are not aware of what the intention of Fulani, what they want, what they actually demand, and their agenda and their motive. Everything they want is to make sure they take the land that belongs to other people for themselves and make it their own. Some of us may remember, some may not remember that when Buhari, I think it's his first tenure, he tried his best to make sure that he opened border, free movement for Fulani from other Sahel to penetrate into Nigeria. Like as we are speaking today, as of the moment, Fulani people in the northern part, the border between Niger and the northerners are open. No immigration whatsoever. Just like the way they have secured Zambeza with Fulani terrorist Boko Haram group. To them, to have access to people's land is by forcing them with arms, using force, using sword in the word of Islam, because sword is one of the things they as a Christian, you are doing morning call, preaching and doing evangelism, trying to convert people, telling people about Jesus Christ, about the Lord, about God and all that, about Bible, everything which is good as a Christian. But in Islam, those radical were not every Muslim. Their own business is to make sure they deceive other people. They bring to you sword. They will tell you Islam is the best. We are brotherhood. This is a way to go. This is the best thing to do. As you are trying to contemplate on that, they will move from that place, that one to, okay, if you don't want it, we give you sword. And that sword they are talking about is not something funny. They will bring sword with a normal. And that sword is something that many people in Nigeria don't appreciate. Okay, they don't appreciate it because they feel that it's a lie. That is not true. They have a way of getting it done without your help. You are insulting Fulani. We can live together. We have enough land. Yes, the land of Northerners can accommodate Fulani that penetrate into that part of the world. But the issue is that, do they come to live or to pursue you or to conquer you? These are things you need to ask yourself. Yoruba are busy looking for what Igbo man said. How they write Igbo man history, how they made Igbo man to be who they are. Without them, the Igbo man cannot exist. In fact, trying to subdue and subject Igbo people. They have their own mindset of conquer. It's not as if, but it's not as deadly as a Fulani own. That I can assure you. But whether Yorubas have the history of conquering other people, they do. And they thought that Igbos are like them. So they keep on trying to segregate people that lives within the Igbo territory, or you may say the neighbors, that by telling them, look, you are not Igbo, you are different from them. Igbo is trying to cheat you, they are lying, that this, that. Their belief is to make sure that they use that to carve your mind out from the real fact. And that fact is that you are one. Imagine somebody who is from Ebema. We tell you, no, I'm not Igbo. Somebody who is from Ukwere, no, I'm not Igbo. Somebody who is from Bonny, we tell you, no, I'm not Igbo. Many of them are speaking Igbo. In fact, they have gone as far as deceiving them to the extent of choosing who they are not. They choose to become Bini than Igbo. Then what makes you think that they choose to become Bini than Igbo? Simply because they want to provoke you as an Igbo person by lying to you. So we can go on and on to explain this, but I want this video to be as short as Commander Holy Ghost have made it to be. So let's go there. Let's listen to what he has to say.
And this is a direct message. I bring this message.
Start from the beginning.
This is the warning, and this is a direct message. I bring this message to you to make it reach Fulani, because they send me message. I cannot hold it back. For Fulani to make attempt to take over the land of Biafra, tell them we will pursue them down to where they come from. Immediately Biafra is restored, fully restored. We will fight for the restoration of Ururuwas, and we will fight for the restorations of Hausa. Indigenous people who make up Nigeria be independent and free from Fulani, because of that single attempt they make to conquer the land of Biafra. Share this message. Let it reach their ear. That we promise them because of from Fulani. I repeat, make this message reach Fulani. Whatever they heard of Fulani, make it reach their emir. Make it reach them and tell them that for that single attempt they made to conquer the land of, whether you like it or not, I must deliver this heavenly message. Tell Facebook whether you like it or not, this message must be delivered. I say it without missing of word. Tell Fulani, if you have Fulani friends in your profile, tax your friend, tax them, and make sure say this message reach them. This is the message from heaven. That for that single attempt they make to conquer the land of Biafra, that we will destroy them beyond repair. Fulani is specifically. This message is mainly for Fulani specifically. This message go to Fulani. We will send them to desert where they come from. Tell them immediately Biafra is restored. Biafra will fight for Oduduwa restoration. Biafra will fight for Hausa restoration. And Fulani, we will send them back to where they come from. That every indigenous people of Biafra, every indigenous people that make up Nigeria must gain their independence the way it was before Britain come. So shall it be. That for their single attempt to conquer the Biafra territory, that Biafra will destroy Fulani